Hello everyone, this is Dr. Esperanza and we are now on week 2 of our semester. And for this week's, we're going to be working on the relationship between the standard deviation and the mean of your distribution. Specifically on analyzing what the shape or how the shape of your distribution becomes a normal curve, a flat curve, or a steep curve depending on the value of the mean and the value of the standard deviation, as well as the difference between the mean and the median in analyzing the center of a sample or a distribution. So for this week, I want you to stick to your routine. Most of you were able to complete our work with no problems and able to complete all the tasks before the deadline ends. So congratulations to all of you. So for week 1 up until week number 7, the routine will pretty much be the same, except of course for the midterm exam or the midterm tasks where you will be required to do a little bit more. But overall, whatever you're working on or however your routine is working for you, just continue working on that, because in an online class, more than the statistical analysis and more than the statistical skill that you are going to be learning in my class, you are going to be tested and your skill will be honed in your time management and self-discipline. So those are the two qualities that you need to possess to be able to completely or successfully complete statistics online. And I understand that for some students, statistics or just the mere sound of statistics is already scary, but this class will not be that challenging if you're just going to be sticking to your routine and follow my advice and watch the videos I am posting, so that you'll be able to learn a skill or two every week in understanding statistics in the next few weeks for this semester. So if you have any questions, if you have any concern, reach out to us, not just me, but also the program directors and course directors that's here to help you to be successful in our online environment. So reach out to us and we'll be able to answer your questions or concern if things become a little bit difficult in your online go. Now, this is a little bit different because this week we are experiencing a different type of crisis, the COVID-19 crisis. And for those of you who are working in the healthcare department or in a hospital or in a clinic, kudos to all of you. My heart is with all of you. I know that it's not easy being in front of this particular crisis, helping people to be safe and helping people to be healthy in this time of crisis. So kudos to you. So if you need any help, just reach out to me and I'll be happy to help you out. And for all of us who are now just staying at home, like me, I am fully online now. All of my classes are now being held online. So just like you or most of you, I am pretty isolated and self-quarantined here in my home in Barstow, and I can't go out. However, I am using this time to be able to help my students, not just my students in Math 211, but to all the students that I have who are experiencing this type of change in the academic institutions that I am working on. So all of us are facing a new type of experience, and I hope that all of us will be a little bit kind to each other, to the people you are working with, or to the people you are encountering day to day. So be nice, be kind, share, not hoard, and try to be safe. Practice social distancing, try not to be in the crowded places, try to sacrifice a little bit, because we're here to flatten the curve. And this week's task or this week's discussion on the relationship of the mean and the median and the standard deviation and its quartiles will help you understand that graph that you are seeing online, wherein you're seeing a normal curve with a steep curve and a normal curve that is a little bit flat, and you'll be able to understand the relationship of those two graphs in this week's lesson. And again, this is Dr. Esperanza, and if you have any questions, just send me an email and be safe. Bye!